Today I'm going to show you how I make a simple hoop earring with a chain hanging on, which is very popular these days. Hi and welcome to my jewelry land, Maral. If you are new here, remember to subscribe the channel. Well, here are the materials we need for making these earrings. Some different chains in different thicknesses and sizes. Also different type of hooks for earrings. Yes, so if you're ready, let's dive into the jewelry land and make a simple earring. Yep. Here are the pliers that I'm going to use for attaching the hoop and the chain with jumping ring. Now I'm going to cut the chain. Then we have the jumping ring and the hoop earring. Here you can see that I am adding the chain with a little jumping ring to the hoop earring. The point is that you can take the chain out of the hoop whenever you don't want to have the chain, so you have different choices. Okay, now I'm adding the next chain to the same hoop because I'm thinking this design is also very nice. You can try it. And now I make the silver one with the simple hook earring. As you see, this is very simple. You just need the jumping ring to add the chain and then add to the hook. Here is the black one that I'm going to make, and I just add the gold jumping ring because I don't have the black one, which is okay, so you can just take it easy and use whatever you have because mixing color is also looking nice. Okay, the earrings are ready in different sizes and thicknesses, so we have different simple design for different style. There we go. You see how it look like. Yeah, and this one the silver one. So it depends on you how you want to have thick chain or thin chain, or how long you want to be the chain. Okay, now I'm going to try the black one. You see how, yes, this one is good. There we go. This is the black one, but the size of the chain, it can be short or even longer. If you want to go crazy, you can just choose a long chain. You can make this earring with the chain that you already have at home, with necklaces that you don't use, or the bracelet that you don't use it anymore. So you can change it to the earring. I hope that you like the video and the earring. Subscribe to the channel. See you soon. So much love.